Jack Ma showed back up. He came out of the woodwork. He's no longer lying low, or he's at least lying less low. He came on to video screens everywhere. He was talking to teachers. He was giving a little speech to, it was like kind of, you know, it's a philanthropic event. And so he was encouraging the Rural Teacher Initiative, giving them words of wisdom, encouraging them. He participated. It was an online ceremony. You know, you get a guy like him, billionaire, tycoon, and it gives some extra heat to your event. So he showed up for that, and he addressed 100 village teachers receiving accolades from the foundation. Now, this ceremony is usually held in person, but he had to come on video this time around because of COVID and all the rest of it. And it's held annually in Sanya. And I don't know if you're familiar with this region of China. Vin is very intimately, he knows about this region. Where are you, Vin? You ever been to Sanya? Twice. And this is a very tropical almost region where you would have sand and beaches, and it's like a resort, sort of like a resort destination if you live in China.
Is that why they say sand? Yeah, because they're like sand. Yeah.
That is rude, and you are canceled, sir.
Oh, boy.
Anyway, so normally they would take place there, and it would be a nice, fun event, but he had to jump on. Anyway, this is a big deal because the guy, he was off the radar since October, and everyone was stressing that.
Yeah, they were worried.
I mean, he had obviously some sort of disagreement. It was a closed-door meeting that took place between himself and the government, and then he goes, and then you don't see him for a while, so people had all kinds of speculation, as people do.